Today we're making la banana, not banana, pizza!
I almost got in the fan.
Here's the catch. Do we have a pizza oven?
No.
Do we have a pizza delivery guy coming to bring us pizza?
No.
Do we have a frozen pizza that we're making in the frozen pizza style?
No.
What are we doing?
We're making it! As you can see, we have pepperoni, tomatoes, dough, cheese, sauce, olives, and mushrooms.
Okay, so how are we actually gonna cook it though? We're gonna cook it on the grill.
Oh.
Grilled pizza. We're gonna do this with a fake Italian accent the whole time. And you are gonna go wash your hands. What's wrong with you?
I just did! We also have bell pepper. Green addition.
Bro, do we want the small bell pepper?
Chop, 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 chop. Okay, I done it.
Mamma mia! These nice, like a baby's behind.
That's the kind that looks like toad. Why are they cutting toad apart?
Oh, don't cut me! I'm a toad from Mario.
Oh, my lord! There's all the toads are good.
You think that's enough for mushroom?
Oh, yeah!
You might not want the tomatoes on yours, but I want the tomatoes on mine, a pizza.
I will maybe put tomatoes on my pizza.
Okay, little dude, come over here, Lena, you dude. We're going to make your pizza first, okay?
Oh,
This is your pizza. What you are going to do is you're going to put the sauce on your pizza, and then whatever else you want.
Okie dokie.
This is crazy. You're watching this is like watching a paint dry. This was really enough for pizza sauce. You got to get into it. You got to make it a work of art, a masterpiece. Huh? You have to go to the edge. You got to cover the middle. You got to cover all of the pizza.
That is what I tried to do.
Stop shaking my arm.
I tried to make a masterpiece.
You're not. My masterpiece is the pizza, not the drawing. Now put on whatever you want. You do cheese first? Or you do cheese?
We do a little bit of cheese, then the toppings, then more cheese so that it stays.
Girls, come make your pizza.
I almost just stick my hand in this on.
Remember, just a little bit at first, and then you put on a little more later on.
I need one more piece.
I need a mushroom.
Give me the sauce.
Hey, don't fight on our show, okay? This is the creation. Italian tortilla pizza and Italian pepperoni pizza.
With the smiley face pepperoni face.
Well, you said this is Italia.
I did not notice that until now.
We want to make sure the grill is nice and warm. So we're at the 450 degrees. That might not be hot enough, but we're going to give it a try. First, we're going to put on a little pizza. Ow, very hot. And then we're going to take a bite of pizza.
I can feel the heat from here.
We're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. We wanted to get the very cheese melty.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, we've got more pizzas here. This is for the sisters and the mother. Let's look at our pizza and see how it is. It's been about 5 minutes.
And didn't you
Might
say?
be burnt. We'll see. It's burnt. Oh no!
Oh my God!
Ah! We're burning the pizza.
Our pizza is a bubble.
Ooh. Oh no! I'm sorry. Oh, this is why they say never come to our pizza restaurant. Uh-oh. It's a little brown on the bottom, okay? It's okay, we're gonna get another pizza crust. Okay, we got the round 2 because of that burned the round 1, alright? Okay, little dude, you wanna tell everybody what happened twice?
My pizza burned.
What happened the second time? The dog ate the most of your pizza. He's very upset.
Okay, so here's what my pizza looks like. one of the bell peppers fell off in the grill. So maybe I'll put another one on that's not cooked.
Maybe that's a good idea. Let's go and eat. Mamma mia, pizzeria!
I'm gonna eat this thing.
Okay, we're cutting up a pizza. This is your first pizza, but it's the burnt pizza, right? But maybe it's not so bad. It's got a little burnt on the bottom.
A lot.
It adds a little flavor.
A lot.
What do you think?
I like it.
Magnifico. Look at all the pizza. Miliamu. You like the pizza? Lady Spaghetti, you like the pizza?
She got cheese pizza.
You like the pizza?
Yeah. No, I haven't eaten it.
You like the pizza? What do you think of the pizza?
Amazing! If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday.